exercises first now. And the first exercise that we'll do is to blink our eyes. Okay. So we'll blink our eyes about 8 to 10 times. Okay. That is the first exercise. And the second exercise that we'll do is rotation of the eyes. So rotate the eyes in clockwise and anti-clockwise manner, which is so very important. And the third exercise that we'll do is of the palming. So we'll do all the three exercises and come back to the then our thing. Okay, because you have seen that this is very important for all of us to do that thing. So let us do that quick exercise. Blink your eyes about 8 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Keep your eyes closed for a few moments. What is going to happen when you do this? Your circulation, there is some fluid in the eyes, and that fluid is about which gives the vision. There are so many complicated mechanisms in the eyes. Eyes are very delicate, so you have to, like we exercise for the body, so we must exercise for the eyes also. Very simple exercise. You don't have to do any big thing. Simply shut and open and close the eyes, right? And don't close it too tightly, and don't do it very fast. Do it slowly, gently. Right? एक बार और करेंगे. We'll do one more time. If you want, you can put your videos on so that we can see, right? Otherwise, it's up to you. Okay, so let's do the second one more time. Close, open and close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And when you're doing this exercise, please remove your specs, okay, so that you get the benefit, right? And your specs don't disturb the exercise. Good. So first part was closing of the eyes. Second part is rotation of the eye. Okay? So rotate the eyeballs in a clockwise manner and in an anti-clockwise manner. About 3 times, 5 times you do, so that we see a complete picture, and we give, because the eyes need not only opening and closing, but a complete exercise. Right? So let's do that. Move your eyes in a clockwise. So look at your left side, look up, keep your neck straight. Just the eyes are rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Gently close your eyes for a couple of moments and do it anti-clockwise. Okay. You must have done in some one direction. Now you take the another direction. Right. So close, rotate your eyeballs in a different direction, in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. And just observe, keep your awareness, keep your attention toward the eyes. See what is the difference that had made. Okay. See, any practice, if you have to get benefit, you have to get the mind, get your attention to that particular part. Now we are doing eye exercises. So entire focus of the mind, attention of the mind, awareness of the mind should be the area of the eyes. Okay. Right. The third exercise, which we said, was the palming exercise. Very simple exercise. The palms have got a lot of energy. Okay. People give Ashirwad dete right? What is they do? They are giving good wishes, right? Where do they give? The energy is given from the palms. So in pranic healing or in many techniques, this is done. And you must have also noticed. So even if you have not noticed, now let us see. So what you'll do is you rub your hands nicely. Rub your hands nicely. हाथ को अच्छे गरम करो. And when they are nice and warm and you feel energy, just put their eyes on the palms, the hollow portion of the eyes, right? Don't put, you put your, the base of the palm into the eye. Just allow the hollow portion of the palm over the eyes. So the hollow portion is not touching the eyes or eyelids. Okay? And see the transfer of energy. There is some energy that is going to flow from the hands to the eyes. We'll do one more time. Correct? Rub your hands nicely. Place the hollow portion of the palm on the eyes. See the transfer of energy from the palms to the eyes. Feel that and relax. Right. So blinking of the eyes, what is the benefit? It will give rest to the eyes. Okay. And the circulation in the eyes improves. Okay. And it's a very simple exercise, but a very powerful exercise. Right? Very simple. Okay. Second, when you rotate the eyes, what will happen? Flexibility will improve. The internal muscles get toned up. Okay. And your vision also improves. Okay. There are so many exercises for the eyes, right? But just we are taking some sample so that you start doing these exercises, and then we can go on to more exercise. So the muscles get exercised, the eyes get the benefit. So simple techniques are there. Okay. Third, palming. What happens? You are transferring the energy of the body, of the palms. Okay. Because the palms are carrying all the nerve endings of all the body. So when you place the palms on the eyes, it is the energy of the body that is coming to your eyes. Simple exercise.